Seiko, a Facebook group admin tool. Bulk keywords made easy. Safe, no bots, full control. From the group's main page, open Admin Assist. Go to Decline Incoming Post if, then choose Post contains certain keywords. This opens the keyword rule configuration. From here, edit the keyword condition. In the Keywords view, use Seiko Facebook Bulk Keywords to enter the words or phrases to be filtered. Manual keyword entry is the simplest and most direct option. Keywords are pasted exactly as prepared. This method is ideal when speed and control matter most. Here, Seiko performs bulk post-keyword entry inside Facebook Admin Assist. Keywords are pasted once. The process is started. Seiko enters each keyword directly into Facebook's native input field at a controlled pace. When complete, the criteria is saved and control returns to Admin Assist. No loops, no extra tabs, no manual repetition. CSV and text file import is designed for larger keyword lists. This method is ideal when scale and consistency matter. In the Import section, click Choose File. Select the CSV file from the Windows File Picker. The file name appears next to Choose File. Click Import. The keyword list updates, loading the contents of the selected file. The keywords are now ready for post or comment moderation. Preset keyword profiles let admins reuse structured keyword sets for posts and comments. Apply once, reuse anywhere. Maintain consistent moderation at scale. In this section, Seiko Facebook Bulk Keywords prepares and initiates keyword entry directly into Facebook's Admin Assist keyword system. Before any keywords are applied, the extension first establishes the target rule context, ensuring the correct keyword category is selected. Admins can choose whether the keyword set applies to post moderation or comment moderation, depending on how content should be filtered within the group. This selection is made directly through Facebook's existing Admin Assist interface, using the same controls Meta provides. Seiko Facebook Bulk Keywords does not bypass or replace native moderation rules. Once the rule context is confirmed, Seiko Facebook Bulk Keywords focuses on the keyword input field itself. At this point, previously prepared keywords are staged and ready for entry. When execution begins, keywords are entered sequentially into Facebook's keyword field, following platform-safe timing and input limits. Each keyword is added individually, exactly as if typed by an administrator, ensuring full compatibility with Admin Assist validation rules. After entry is complete, the keyword dialog is closed and the rule criteria is saved. Control is then returned to the Admin Assist panel, with all keywords visible, active, and ready to enforce moderation according to the selected rule. This process ensures accuracy, consistency, and administrative transparency, while significantly reducing repetitive manual input. Why speed adjustment matters. 1. Match speed to list size. Choose faster speeds for large keyword lists or slower speeds for smaller, controlled updates. 2. Maintain accuracy. Slower execution allows Facebook's interface to register each keyword reliably. 3. Avoid interface overload. Adjusting speed helps prevent skipped entries caused by rapid input. 4. Adapt to system performance. Speed can be reduced on slower devices or under heavy browser load. Fifth, stay fully in control. Admins decide when and how quickly keywords are applied. Nothing runs automatically. Seiko Facebook Bulk Keywords supports multiple execution speeds for keyword entry. Admins control how quickly keywords are applied inside Facebook's keyword rules. Faster speeds handle large lists efficiently. Slower speeds ensure accuracy and control. Run Status Manager. The Run Manager provides real-time visibility and control while keywords are being entered into Facebook group keyword settings. It displays system readiness, pop-up status, and live progress as each keyword is applied. Clear indicators and controls allow admins to pause, reset, or stop execution at any time. This ensures keyword entry remains transparent, intentional, and fully user-controlled, with no background or automatic actions. Run Status Panel shows exactly what the extension is doing in real time. Status indicators confirm when the Facebook keyword pop-up is open and ready. Progress counters and the bar track each keyword as it's applied. Stop pauses execution instantly, while reset clears the run and starts fresh. This keeps you in control with no hidden actions or automatic execution. Thank you for watching.